Upgrade your PS5 gaming with the best headsets for immersive sound, clear chat, and all-day comfort. Starting at number 1, ASTRO Gaming A50 Headset. The ASTRO Gaming A50 wireless headset plus base station Gen 4 is a top-tier headset fully compatible with PS5, PS4, PC, and Mac. It features ASTRO Audio V2 for crisp highs, controlled mids, and distortion-free bass, along with Dolby Audio for immersive, directional sound that enhances gameplay. The headset offers game-to-voice balance, allowing you to adjust the mix of game audio and chat directly, while the ASTRO Command Center software lets you fine-tune audio and voice settings to your preference. With over 15 hours of battery life, a dedicated wireless base station, and USB sound card functionality for PC, the A50 delivers high-performance, long-lasting gaming sessions. Note that to fully enable some features on PS5, an HDMI adapter may be required. Number 2, SteelSeries Arctis 7P Wireless. The SteelSeries Arctis 7P Wireless is a lossless 2.4 GHz wireless gaming headset designed for PlayStation 5 and PS4, also compatible with PC, Nintendo Switch, Android, and more. It delivers low-latency, high-fidelity audio with a compact USB-C dongle and the signature Arctis sound designed to highlight subtle in-game details, plus support for PS5's Tempest 3D audio tech. The headset offers a long battery life of up to 124 hours on a single charge, a Discord-certified Clearcast bidirectional microphone for clear voice chat, and comfortable on-headset controls for volume and mic mute. Its lightweight design and versatile wireless connectivity make it a strong choice for immersive PS5 gaming without cables. Number 3, PlayStation Pulse 3D Wireless Headset. The PlayStation Pulse 3D wireless headset. White is Sony's official wireless headset designed for PS5 and PS4, fine-tuned to deliver immersive 3D audio with Tempest audio tech for enhanced directional sound in supported games. It features a sleek, comfortable design with refined earpads and a headband that complements the PS5 aesthetic, dual hidden noise-canceling microphones for clear chat, and easy access on headset controls for mic mute, volume, and game chat balance. The built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 12 hours of wireless play, and the included USB wireless adapter lets you connect to PS5, PS4, and compatible PCs, while a 3.5mm audio cable is provided for use with PSVR and mobile devices, though controls aren't supported in wired mode. Overall, it's a solid, lightweight choice for wireless PS5 gaming audio and chat. Number 4, Sony PlayStation Platinum Headset. The Sony PlayStation Platinum Wireless Headset is a premium wireless gaming headset originally designed for PS4 that delivers enhanced 7.1 virtual surround sound powered by Sony's proprietary 3D audio technology, giving you rich, highly positional audio in supported games. It uses 50mm drivers for clear highs, mids, and bass, and features dual built-in noise-canceling microphones for voice chat. The headset is comfortable for long sessions, has an extended life rechargeable battery, and includes a wireless USB adapter for connection to PS4 and PC, plus a 3.5mm cable for PSVR and mobile devices. A companion app lets you customize audio modes and presets for different games. Number 5, Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2 Headset. The Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2 wireless gaming headset is a versatile wireless headset designed for PS5, PS4, PS4 Pro, and Nintendo Switch via USB transmitter, offering rich, immersive audio and comfort for long gaming sessions. It features high-performance 50mm nano-clear touch speakers tuned for precise sound imaging and support for Sony 3D audio on PS5, giving you enhanced spatial awareness in games. The headset includes AeroFit TM cooling gel memory foam ear cushions and a metal reinforced headband for durability and comfort, plus a Gen 2 flip-to-mute mic that improves chat clarity. With up to 20 hours of wireless battery life, Bluetooth connectivity for mobile calls, music while gaming, and app-based audio customization, it's a strong wireless headset choice for PlayStation gamers.